Hey guys, today we are learning to subtract with partial differences. So the most important thing today is understanding our place value. So all of our orange is our hundreds, our green is our tens, and our blue is our ones. That's going to be the most important thing, okay? So when we're subtracting with partial differences, the first thing we do is subtract our hundred spot. So in this case, we're going to subtract 400. So our starting number is just what our number is up here. So we have 728, and it tells us to subtract 400. And that's because our 4 is in our hundred spot. So 728 minus 400 is going to equal 328. All I'm doing is 7 minus 4, which is 3. And my 2 and my 8 stay the same. I didn't do anything with those. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is subtract 10. So whatever number I ended with, so right here I ended with this number, I'm going to write that down here. So 328, and I'm going to subtract 10. So my 3 and my 8 aren't going to change because I'm not messing with my tens value or my hundreds value or my ones value. I'm just going to do 2 or 20 minus 10, which is going to be 10, so it's going to be a 1 because 2 minus 1 equals 1. So again, whatever my number is here is the number I'm going to put down here. So I'm at 318, and I'm going to subtract my one place now. And my one place is 3, so I'm doing 318 minus 3. I'm not subtracting any hundreds or any tens. 8 minus 3 equals 5. So my final answer is 315. So here's another one. So I'm starting with 984. And the first thing I need to do is subtract my hundred spot. And my hundred spot is, there's a 3, so the value is 300. So I'm going to do 984 minus 300. I'm looking at my hundred spot. 9 minus 3 equals 6. I have zeros back here, so the 84 is going to stay the same. Remember, then all we're going to do is we're going to bring this number down, and that's going to be our starting point this time. So 684 minus, I've already did my hundred spot, so now I need to do my 10 spot, and there's a 5 there, so that's worth 50. So I'm going to do 684 minus 50. I don't have any hundreds, so my 6 stays the same. 8 minus 5 equals 3. And 4 minus 0 equals 4. So I'm at 634. I bring this number down again. So 634. So I've done my 100 spot. I've done my 10 spot. Now I need to do my 1 spot. So I'm doing 634 minus 6. My 6 isn't going to change. Now this is a little tricky because we're at 34. I know I can't take 6 away from 4. So I'm going to count back 6. So I have 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28. So it's going to be 628 is going to be my final answer.